This falafel salad is a combo of healthy and colorful ingredients, giving it such an amazing texture with outbursting flavors. Hey guys, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an extremely healthy and protein-packed salad called the falafel salad. So I'm going to start by marinating halloumi. Here I have 250 grams of halloumi, which I've cut in about 1 inch cube size. I have a quarter cup of Chooza sauce. The recipe link for Chooza sauce is in my description box. I'm just going to give it a quick stir. I'm now going to let this halloumi sit and marinate for about half an hour until we can grill it. I'm now going to activate some couscous. So here I have a quarter cup of couscous. I'm adding half a cup of hot water. I'm going to allow this to sit for about 20 minutes until the water is all soaked and the couscous is soft. I'm now going to mix some of the ingredients for the salad. So here I have about 6 to 7 lettuce leaves, which I've roughly chopped. I have 1 cucumber diced, 10 cherry tomatoes halved, quarter cup of parsley, quarter cup of mint, 2 teaspoons of white sesame seeds, quarter cup of pumpkin seeds, and a quarter cup of sunflower seeds. So I'm just going to give this a quick stir. So our salad mix is ready. I'm now going to make the dressing. So for the dressing, I have a quarter cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of tahini, half a freshly squeezed lemon, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of freshly cut dill, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to give it a quick whisk. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, and the dressing is now ready. My halloumi is now marinated and we are ready to grill it. So I have my grill which is already hot. I'm going to put the pieces in. Halloumi is now ready. It's grilled. I'm going to remove every piece. The couscous is now activated. I'm going to add it to the salad mix. Just give it a quick stir. So I'm now ready to assemble the salad. So for that, I'm going to start by adding the salad mix, some beetroot, which I've cut in matchstick size, some onion rings, some dressing. I'm now going to add the rest of the salad mix. I'm again adding some beetroot, onion rings, some falafel bhajiyas. The recipe link for the falafels is in my description box. I'm going to cut them in half. Now I'm going to add the halloumi, which we grilled. I'm going to add some more dressing. And finally, I'm going to drizzle some balsamic vinegar. My falafel salad is now ready to be served. So beautiful, colorful, and healthy. Enjoy this with pita breads or have it as a meal on its own. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more.